Hello everyone, it's Mandy. Hey, we are going to change the season. So February's out and the beach is in. So I am, getting ready for my beach time. So we're going to be doing the lobster company and crab company transfers. So I'm actually just going to do the lobster company. But first I'm going to show you how to get this design off. We are going to be doing a new design, which is what I like about Chalk Couture. And I just had that glued on the back there. So just gonna take that off. And now start the process of, I already put some water on here. And just to kind of loosen it up. And this in itself is a little bit of therapy. I like to use our projects for a little chalk therapy, little craft therapy, but this, again, I like. So just gonna get it wet, and as you can see that it takes a little bit for it to come off, so our pastes go on wet but dry hard, and they stay on the project for as long as you want it. And then when you're ready, you just take some water and start wetting it down. And clean it up. So let's do this. Hope everyone enjoyed their Valentine's and their Valentine's weekend. This to the side. Just gonna spray some more water on here. After I get the majority of it up, I'll probably get a Lysol wipe and take it off as well. I really did like this little design. It was cute. It was one of our monthly transfers that we have that you can be a part of. You don't, you just get some happy mail in the mail each month for $19.99 a month, and we never know what it is. It's a little surprise just to kind of help remind you to sit down and take a break and create something fun and unique for your home that no one else will have. That is the fun of Chalk Couture. And really crafting, just kind of makes you feel like a kid again. So it's always good to have a reminder to sit down and take a little time for yourself, or maybe take some time for you and the kids, and make it just a fun evening, a fun time. As you can see, the cleanup is fairly easy. You don't have a big mess to clean up afterwards. You just kind of get in there and get it done. I'll move this over just a little bit. And it makes, giving unique and creative gifts fun again, that people will actually be glad to receive. And, it's professional looking, upscale home decor that they will actually like and want to share with their family. So let me get this off. This is our board eraser, and it just helps get the rest of that residue off. So one of the little tools that we have to make it easy on you. Okay. So gonna let that dry, and then we'll get started. So guys, I'm Mandy Ross, and I am Gwen's Foxy Nest and an independent designer for Chalk Couture. And I like to inspire others to create the foxiest nest that they can, either with home decor or fashion. And we come on here and show you different ways and unique ways that you can use our transfers. And this one is just going to be super simple. We're just going to let that dry, and then I'm going to use the lobster one with just the white paste. with our chalk base. So that's what I just took off of my board. And it is, like I said, it goes on wet and dries hard. And it stays there until you're ready. Until you're ready to take it off and do something new. So no time limit on it. No, you know, it's easy. They make it easy for you. So let me get my little fuzzing cloth here. And I'm just gonna take that and dry. And these are new transfers, and so our transfers are super sticky, and you know, they are reusable. So up to a dozen times you can reuse them. Sometimes more, as long as you take care of them. And then you fuzz it, and we're going to paste it, and then you're going to wash it and put it back on the backing for next time. So I'm just going to put this right here, and then I'm going to see what the rest of the layout will look like. So I wanted to use that, and I wanted to see if this little lobster company was going to fit. Yes, but I think I want to take this little guy down a little bit more. So just reposition it until you get it at the spot you want, and just make it yours. So some people like color, and some people actually like to make it look like a chalkboard art. And so completely up to you, unique and desirable for what you have going on in your house. Guys, if you have some DIY friends or you know, interior designers, please share this video and let them know that I'm here. I'm always looking for people to share my passion with. So if you know me, you know that I started with painting furniture with chalk paint, some Andy Sloan chalk paint. So I'm just a lover of chalk and a lover of, I just have this passion of creating beautiful things for homes. You just want to make sure your paste is like a yogurt-like consistency. And now we're just going to spread it out, and I'll show you how we use our squeegee to get it on the board. Okay, so now you just take the paste and just go over the design area. You don't need to go over the whole blue part or whatever. I am going to be hosting some workshops, so if that's something that you guys are interested in, you think this will be fun for you and, you know, 3 or more of your friends, just type in workshop and I'll get with you. And it can be local here in Arkansas, or it can be a virtual workshop, or we can do like a catalog party over Facebook. So super easy to get you going. And let me get this off. So you just take up the excess. There wasn't much on there, much excess, but you can always take up what you need, and then you just slowly take up your transfer. And if you find an area that you want to go over again, you would just lay your transfer back down and go back over it. So it's very simple and unique to create your own little design. So then I would take this to my sink and I would wash it with like lukewarm water. Once you get all the paste off of it, you want to flip it over and have the sticky side up and let it dry. And then once it's dry, you just want to put it back on the backer that it came off of, right? So easy cleanup, easy design, makes your little place unique and fun. So next I'm going to put on this little lobster company, and I'm just going to fuzz it as well. And the reason you fuzz it is so it's easier to get off your boards. If it's too sticky, it makes it a little hard to get off the board. And you could, this is actually kind of a fabric, so you could stretch your transfers out. So, And then when you pick it up, you want to pick it up from left to right or top to bottom to take it off your boards. So just gonna put some again. No rhyme or reason, just plop some down. It looks a little messy before it gets pretty, but it really is this simple, guys. And one of my favorite parts is seeing someone new create and just the shock on their face when they take it up. It never gets old. I mean, everyone's just so impressed that they just created a designer looking piece within minutes, and you know, taking the guesswork out of it, making it easy for you. So, hello. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining, guys. If you have questions, just put them in the comments and I'll get to you. If I don't get to you on the live, I certainly will after the live. So, okay. Let me take this off. Isn't that cute? Wouldn't that be cute for a company to use to change out their chalkboards on a regular basis so that they don't get old? And then I'm just gonna put this served fresh daily at the bottom here. So, I mean, they could, we have over like 250 designs, so you have plenty of designs to pick through. We have some very, very cute beach themes. We also have like Bohemian and Farmhouse and a Southwestern. Just about everything you can think of, we have it in our catalog. And you can find all these products online at www.chalkcouture.com/Gwen'sFoxyNest, and I'll put that in the links there so you can get to it easy. Again, I'm just taking off the excess, so you see that it really doesn't take much paint to get these, or much paste to get this done. So pretty much that's it, guys. Serve fresh daily, and I have a new piece. I went from Valentine's to a beach theme in a matter of minutes, and that's it. Like, isn't that super cute? So if you have questions, let me know. I'm gonna take those over and wash up my mess, probably less than 5 minutes, and I'm done creating my unique masterpiece. So thanks, guys. Have a good day. Bye.